The services that ROSnet provides are a critical component to our restaurant operators in being able to manage their costs, increase their profits. In the same way, we feel that Kaseya is a critical part of our ability to provide those services to our restaurant operators.
My name is Gene Peters. I'm the president of ROS Technology Services located in Kansas City, Missouri.
My name is Jim Meredith, and the company is ROSnet, Restaurant Operations Support Network.
ROS Technology Services, the ROS stands for Restaurant Operations Support. What we do is provide reporting services and managed services to restaurant companies. We have clients the size of 2 restaurants all the way up to companies that have as many as 400 restaurant locations. We currently manage about 2,000 systems for our clients.
We are a back office solution for multi-unit restaurant companies. Some of your top names in the business work with ROSnet in areas such as food cost control, basic sales reporting, labor scheduling, tasks like that are important to multi-unit restaurant operators.
We are an atypical user of Kaseya. We primarily utilize it to gather data from the restaurant locations, from the POS systems at the restaurant, and bring it over to our data center where we load it, and then we're able to turn around information to the restaurant company as well as reporting to the restaurant company.
One of the unique things about the location of ROSnet is the fact that we are in an underground facility.
We have no local clients. All of our clients are East Coast, West Coast, primarily Canada and Mexico.
And for those people, when you hear Kansas City, the first thing you think about is tornadoes, Dorothy, Wizard of Oz, all of those images come to mind, and there was a serious concern about protection of their data.
So rather than being based on the surface, our facility is about 200 feet underground in an old limestone mine.
One of the good things about our approach is that if there is something that happens above ground, it really isn't going to affect us so much here. We've got the backups in place. We have protective measures in place. We have 2 types of backup power systems. Our clients have a very secure place to store their data.
We started using Kaseya about 3 years ago. One of the major reasons in the very beginning that we opted to go with Kaseya was that it was cross-platform.
Our customers experience a number of issues related to IT. First of all, they have point-of-sale systems in their restaurants which are controlled by a PC sitting in the back office. They have other systems such as kitchen display systems, menu board, drive-through timers, many other systems like that. And those systems largely are dependent on a single PC in the back office to function. If there's a problem there, it can bring down not just 1, but 2 or 3 of those systems. There's another area that really does impact the restaurant industry and us by extension of that, and that is the Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, or PCI for short. Restaurant operators right now are dealing with a multitude of requirements in terms of securing their systems, ensuring that they are properly patched and maintained, and other areas that it's putting quite a load on the small to medium restaurant operators and the chain companies that we deal with. The first way that we used Kaseya to address PCI concerns was close to home for us. We wanted to ensure that our service itself used a secure communication method to transfer data between the restaurant location and our network operations center here. The encrypted channel that Kaseya provides has pretty well taken care of those concerns. We have the ability to bring the data over to us from the restaurants in a safe, secure, and stable manner. Beyond that, we have been able to go back to our clients with a set of reports, alerts, and monitoring utilities that give them some capabilities that they can use toward achieving PCI compliance. PCI covers a lot of areas. It covers patch management on the restaurant systems, something which Kaseya provides. It covers system logs, being able to retrieve, view, and be alerted on log activities that occur, from the system, security logs that are on the restaurant PCs. Again, Kaseya gives utility for being able to consolidate those logs, report on them, and even alert if certain situations occur.
Kaseya is it's our primary transport mechanism for data, and data is what makes us tick. Without data, we're out of business.
My name is Jim Meredith with ROSnet, and I am a Kaseyan.
My name is Gene Peters, President of ROSnet, and I am a Kaseyan.